Dexter Hoover. Buckle your seatbelts and start your engines. We're at the beach. Good thing these cars remembered their trunks. Use your boost. Foul ball. Now that's a block party. Nice. Whoa, that made me dizzy. Dexter Hoover is holding his flag high. Looks like someone's a future Piston Cup champ. Lightning Ramone. Buckle your seatbelts and start your engines. And we're here on the track, waiting for the signal. Time to boost. Nice! Nailed it! Nailed it! Nailed it! Whew, that was a close one. Ramone's moves were as slick as his paint job. I thought your wheels were gonna come off on that one. Not Chuck. Are you ready to tear up the track? The crowd holds their breath, waiting for the start. Hit the boost. Oh, just in time. Foul ball. I am not cleaning that up. All right. Oh, just in time. Not Chuck was not slow today. Looks like someone's a future Piston Cup champ. Mia. Let's hear those engines rev. Get ready for some Daredevil action. Hit the boost. Nailed it. I am not cleaning that up. Music to my ears. Music to my ears. Nice. Oh, that was awesome. Nice. 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 Tia, no, Mia! Mia crosses the finish line. Looks like someone's a future Piston Cup champion. Ice racer Lewis Hamilton. Step on the gas. It's time for more stunts. The crowd holds their breath, waiting for the start. Hit the boost. That was awesome! Nice! That was awesome! That was awesome! Lewis has done it again! I thought your wheels were gonna come off on that.